Hello friends, welcome back to the channel where French flair meets advanced electric innovation and dynamic driving. Today, we're exploring the 2027 Peugeot Mirage, a bold all-electric fastback crossover that proves style and substance can go hand in hand. With its dramatic silhouette, next-generation battery platform, and a cabin that feels like a high-tech lounge, the Mirage signals Peugeot's ambition to redefine the electric premium segment. Finished in an elegant liquid bronze with illuminated lion emblems and diamond-cut accents, this is the most sophisticated electric vehicle Peugeot has ever created. Buckle up, because the Mirage is here to surprise you. Starting up front, the Mirage makes a commanding first impression. Peugeot's new frameless grille design is replaced by a sculpted aero panel, seamlessly integrated into the flowing bodywork. A luminous Peugeot lion emblem glows at the center, while triple-claw LED headlights give the Mirage its unmistakable signature. These lights animate in a sweeping sequence when you approach the vehicle, greeting you with a flash of French creativity. The hood is defined by two sculpted channels that visually connect the front badge to the windshield base, emphasizing width and dynamism. Active air flaps remain hidden until cooling is necessary, preserving the Mirage's slippery drag coefficient. A contrasting black bumper insert houses radar and LiDAR modules for the Mirage's semi-autonomous driving suite. From the side profile, the Mirage is all about proportion and stance. A low, coupe-like roofline arcs into a pronounced fastback tail, while muscular haunches over the rear wheels hint at performance potential. Frameless doors open via slim, touch-sensitive panels, and flush handles emerge gracefully when you approach with your key fob or smartphone. The liquid bronze paint has a sophisticated sheen that shifts from warm copper to deep brown depending on the light, accentuating the Mirage's sculpted surfaces. Gloss black sills, window trim, and arch accents create visual contrast, while 22-inch aero-focused wheels finished in a two-tone machine pattern deliver presence and efficiency. Around back, the Mirage's design language is unmistakably Peugeot. A continuous LED light bar integrates the brand's triple-claw taillight motif, while the illuminated lion emblem glows softly at night. A subtle spoiler extends from the roofline, improving high-speed stability. Under the power tailgate, you'll find a generous cargo bay with clever hidden compartments. Step inside, and the Mirage's cabin feels airy, elegant, and distinctly European. Peugeot calls this approach the iLounge, blending advanced digital interfaces with natural materials. A layered dashboard combines matte-finished recycled fabrics, brushed aluminum inserts, and backlit geometric patterns that glow softly in your choice of colors. At the heart of the cockpit is Peugeot's next-generation iCockpit display, a 16-inch curved digital cluster perched high above the compact steering wheel, paired with a floating 14-inch center touchscreen. The instrument display can show 3D navigation, minimalist gauges, or a panoramic camera view. The center touchscreen controls navigation, media, climate, and vehicle functions, with customizable widgets and over-the-air updates. Ambient lighting hidden in the dashboard seams, door panels, and console transforms the cabin mood at the touch of a button. The seats are upholstered in a vegan leather textile blend in soft pebble gray, with contrast stitching and heating, cooling, and massage functions. The front chairs are slim yet supportive, designed to maximize legroom. In the rear, the Mirage surprises with generous space. The fastback profile doesn't compromise headroom thanks to a scooped headliner, and the flat floor allows for comfortable seating for 3 adults. An optional rear console includes additional storage, cup holders, and controls for individual climate zones. Powering the Mirage is Stellantis' new SDLA large platform. A dual-motor setup delivers 540 horsepower and 600 lb-ft of torque to all 4 wheels. With instant electric thrust, the Mirage accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.9 seconds, making it the fastest production Peugeot ever. A 115 kilowatt-hour battery provides up to 420 miles of range, and 800-volt charging allows you to recover 300 miles of range in about 20 minutes. The Mirage offers a refined yet engaging driving experience. Adaptive air suspension automatically lowers the vehicle at highway speeds for efficiency or raises it for rough roads. For driving modes, calm, route, Dynamique and Nudge adjust throttle mapping, suspension damping, and steering feel. Torque vectoring ensures the Mirage corners with poise despite its size. Peugeot hasn't forgotten about practicality. A 70-liter front trunk holds smaller items and charging cables, while the main cargo area behind the rear seats offers over 600 liters of space. With the rear seats folded, you can transport larger items effortlessly. The power tailgate responds to gestures or voice commands for added convenience. Safety and driver assistance are handled by Peugeot Pilot Assist 3.0. Using LiDAR, radar, and ultrasonic sensors, the Mirage can handle highway driving with limited driver input. Features include adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automated lane changes, and evasive steering assist. A driver monitoring camera ensures you remain engaged even when the Mirage does most of the work. Technology is everywhere. A 19-speaker focal audio system creates a rich, immersive soundstage. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, as is a 5G hotspot for streaming and cloud-based navigation. Over-the-air updates keep software current and unlock new features over time. Details matter, and Peugeot included clever touches that make daily life easier. Hidden storage bins, an integrated fragrance diffuser, and a digital key that allows you to share access with friends or family via smartphone. Stepping back to admire the Mirage, you get the sense that Peugeot designed it not just as a transportation appliance, but as a statement that sustainable driving can be sophisticated, fast, and effortlessly stylish. The Mirage challenges assumptions about what an electric crossover can be. If you enjoyed this comprehensive look at the 2027 Peugeot Mirage, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and let us know in the comments. Would you choose the Mirage as your next electric family car? Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the world's most exciting vehicles.